I'm gonna help Miles with those road shows again.
You're gonna do the one out there?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
He said he wanted me to, so unless he changes his mind.
No, I think that's a great idea. I'm all on board.
Jeff Hertz down in Freeport, Illinois. He's just testing things out. He had a big explosion last night on Thursday night, and they took out 5 rods and pistons, rebuilt it. So they're just trying to. We started pulling here at 6 o'clock tonight. Unlimited super stocks are first. He's just trying to get things figured out a little bit. So. So we're in Freeport, Illinois here. Pull starts at 6 p.m. Unlimited super stocks are first, and the 10,000 pound pros. Those are both Champions Tour classes. Then we have our 4.1 Limited Pro. It's Silver Series, and be 26 in our class. I saw for sure. So I know some of the other Badger State guys are on their way to DeWitt, Iowa. They pulled down here earlier today. There's Greg Elsing's Limited Pro, Randy Bro, got the pro stocks over there. Hey guys. Here's the big pits here in Freeport. It's an awesome display. A lot of horsepower here. Look at all the toters, haulers and stuff. So we'll be doing some live video on the Beer Money Pulling Team Facebook page and Badger State 6 o'clock.